Hello friends, I am Andipara Prince and I am talking about the Frequency Division Multiple Access FDMA in wireless communication. What is FDMA? Frequency Division Multiple Access FDMA is the channel access method used in some multiple access protocol. FDMA allows multiple users to send data through a single communication channel such as a coaxial cable or microwave beam. એટલે કે એફડીએમએમાં મલ્ટીપલ યુઝર કોઈ એક જ ચેનલ ઉપર ડેટા ટ્રાન્સફર કરી શકે અને એનું મીડિયમ હોય છે કોએક્સિયલ કેબલ અથવા માઇક્રોવેવ બીમ. બાય ડિવાઇડિંગ ધ બેન્ડવિડ્થ ઓફ ધ ચેનલ ઇન્ટુ સેપરેટ નોન ઓવરલેપિંગ ફ્રીક્વન્સી સબ ચેનલ્સ એન્ડ અલોકેટિંગ ઇચ સબ ચેનલ ટુ અ સેપરેટ યુઝર. એટલે કોઈ પણ ચેનલમાં એક સેપરેટ યુઝર જ અલોકેટ કરી દીધો હોય છે. Users can send data through a sub-channel by modulating it on a carrier wave at the sub-channel's frequency. FDMA assigns individual channels to individual user. Individual user માટે individual channels allocate કરી દીધી હોય in FDMA અને TDMA એને ટાઈમ allocate કરી દીધો હોય individual userને. In FDD, એટલે કે Frequency Division Duplexing System, the users are assigned a channel as a pair of frequency. One frequency is used for the forward channel and other frequency is used for the reverse channel. Forward channel means the base stations to mobile station and reverse channel is data transfer to the mobile to base station. The transponder bandwidth is divided into a series of non-overlapping frequency slots, each of which constitutes an access channel. Therefore, the power efficiency of an FDMA system is decreased because of the need to decrease the power of the TWTA, like a traveling wave tube amplifier. This diagram is of FDMA system. In this diagram, frequencies are dividing some parts, n number of parts. In TDMA system, the time slots are dividing in n parts. Then how FDMA works? FDMA works on the principle of dividing the total bandwidth of the communication channel into a number of discrete segments and allocating each segment exclusively to a user. This is shown in figure. Guard bands are used between each segment of the frequency band to prevent interface between users. In shown figure, the frequency is dividing some parts and the guard band are providing the between frequencies. In FDMA, two types of FDMA are allowed. FDMA FDD means FDMA frequency division duplexing and FDMA TDD frequency division multiple access time division duplexing. This is shown in FDMA FDD graph. And this shown as a FDMA TDD graph. In FDMA TDD, time division duplexing, reverse link and forward link, two are separate parts in the frequency axis. There are allowed to forward channel and reverse channel. It means forward channel is base stations to mobile transmit the data and the reverse and in the reverse channel the data transfers to the mobile from the base station. There are different features in FDMA are as follows. The FDMA channel carries only one phone circuit at a time. If an FDMA channel is not in use, then it sits idle and cannot be used by other users to increase or share capacity. It is essential a wastage resource. એટલે કે એફડીએમએમાં કોઈ એક પર્ટિક્યુલર ચેનલ માટે એની ફ્રિકવન્સી અલોકેટ કરી દીધી હોય છે. તો કોઈ યુઝર એને યુઝ ન કરતા હોય તો એ એમને પડી રહે અને એ વેસ્ટેજ રિસોર્સ તરીકે કામ કરે, નહીં કે એને બીજે કોઈ યુઝર એને યુઝ કરી શકે અથવા શેર પણ ન કરી શકે. After the assignment of the voice channel, the base station and the mobile transmit simultaneously and continuously. The complexity of FDMA mobile systems is lower when compared to TDMA. Through this is changing as digital signal processing methods improve for TDMA. FDMA systems have higher cell site system costs as compared to TDMA system because of the signal channel per carrier design and the need to use costly bandpass filter to eliminate spurious radiation at the base station, and the FDMA requires tight RF filtering to minimize adjacent channel interference. And then non-linear effects in FDMA. In FDMA system, many channels share the same antenna at the base station. The power amplifier or the power combiners, when operated at or near saturation for maximum power efficiency, are nonlinear. Nonlinearities cause signal spreading in the frequency domain and generate intermodulation frequency. Intermodulation is undesired RF radiation which can interference with other channels in FDMA system. Spreading of the spectrum results in adjacent channel interference. Intermodulation is the generation of undesirable harmonics. એટલે કે intermodulation generate કરે છે undesirable harmonics. Harmonics generated outside the mobile radio band cause interference to adjacent service, while those present inside the band cause interference to other users in the wireless system. Then, to minimize the effect of intermodulation distortion, stringent RF filters are required to reject intermodulation distortion. RF filters are heavy and very costly. The first US analog cellular system, the Advanced Mobile Phone System AMPS, is based on the FDMA FDD. A single user occupies a single channel while a call is in progress, and the single channel is equally two simplex channels which are frequency duplexed with 45 MHz split. When a call is completed or when a handoff occurs, the channel is empty so that another mobile subscriber may use it. એટલે કે ઇન એએમપીએસમાં કોઈ એક ચેનલ જ્યારે ફોન ચાલુ હોય, કોલ ઇન પ્રોગ્રેસ હોય, ત્યારે એ ચેનલ એને પ્રોવાઈડ થઈ ગઈ હોય. જ્યારે તેનો ફોન પૂરો થઈ જાય એટલે કે કોલ કમ્પ્લીટ થઈ જાય, હેન્ડ ઓફની પ્રોસેસ ચાલુ થાય અને ત્યારે એ ચેનલ એમ્પ્ટી પડી હોય એટલે કે મોબાઈલ યુઝર એ ચેનલને યુઝ કરી શકે. Voice signals are sent on the forward channel from the base stations to mobile units and on the reverse channel from the mobile units to the base station. જે આપણે પહેલાં જ ડિસ્કસ કર્યું. In AMPS, analog narrowband frequency modulation is used to modulate the carrier. The number of channels that can be simultaneously supported in a FDMA system is given by N is equal to BT minus 2B guard band divided by BC, where BT is the total spectrum allocation, B guard is the guard band allocated at the edge of the allocated spectrum band, and BC is the channel bandwidth. Then FDMA advantages. Synchronization is not necessary. It is if the channel is not used, it sits idle. એટલે કે ચેનલને તમે નો યુઝ કરો તો એ ખાલી એમને પડી જાય, બીજાને શેર ન કરી શકે અને બીજા કોઈ યુઝર એને યુઝ પણ ના કરી શકે. કેપેસિટી કેન બી increased, can obtain efficient bit code, very simple and easy to implement with respect to hardware resource. Very simple and easy છે implement કરવું FDMA નો with respect to hardware resource. The complexity of the system is low. Complexity less છે with compared to the TDMA. The reduction of the information bitrate can make a good effect on the capacity. No need for any network timing. FDMA is efficient so it manages less number of the user population. No restriction regarding the type of base band or modulation. Reduce cost and lower the inter-symbol interference. It means ISI. And then disadvantages. The cell site cost is high. The bandwidth of the FDMA channel is narrow. Carry only one phone circuit at a time. As a result of nonlinear intermodulation, products are generated. Intermodulation frequencies can cause adjacent channel interference. And adjacent channel interference ને મિનિમાઇઝ કરવા માટે RF filter stronger હોવું જોઈએ. Does not differ significantly from an analog system. The presence of the guard band એટલે કે આમાં FDMA માં guard band presence હોય છે. Frequency allocated permanently. Maximum bit rate per channel is fixed and crosstalk may cause interference analog frequency and disrupt the transmission. Thank you.